favorite subject is world history because everything I need is on the web, like skill builder, vocabulary, and my assessments and notes, glossary, and atlas. Every unit has a video and then pictures that I really like. After we finish the unit, we can play concentration game and that can check how I learned today. It's superb. The coolest thing is Learn Smart. After finish the unit, I can compete with my classmates and other schools or country students. It's worldwide. It's pretty challenging. I really like that. It's superb. Every Wednesday, I have world history class, but I really want to have world history class every day. My favorite fact is I can use computer and smartphone app instead of old school books, and then it's real cool.
This year we started learning world history. I like world history because we get to learn what happened all over the world and not just my country. What makes this class different from other classes is that we get digital resources, and so we don't have to carry around heavy books. The online book is full of audios, videos, pictures, and quizzes that help us understand the topic more. And on every topic, there is a game to check our knowledge. It makes studying far more interesting. Also, when you find useful information on the book, you can highlight it. The assignments and homeworks are given by the teacher and sent directly to your account. During classes, we do Learn Smart. On Learn Smart, we check our knowledge and understanding. It's a test which you can answer the questions by reading your book. It motivates the students because they are able to compete with each other. While doing the test, you're able to see your score so far and your friend's score. Well, I didn't think learning history was this fun.